Well-Found Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of the Well-Found platform, formerly known as AngelList. Links to explore the platform are available in the description, so check them out for more details. Let's dive straight into the features, benefits, and who this platform is ideal for. Well-Found is a platform designed specifically for freelancers and job seekers who want to connect with startups and innovative companies. It's an excellent choice for freelancers in tech, design, product management, marketing, and other professional fields who are looking to work with dynamic and fast-growing organizations. Startups use Well-Found to hire talent for remote, part-time, or full-time roles, making it versatile for freelancers who value flexibility and impactful work environments. One of the most notable features of Well-Found is its focus on transparency. Job postings include detailed information about the company, role expectations, salary ranges, and equity offerings, giving freelancers a clear picture of the opportunities. This level of openness helps users make informed decisions before applying. Additionally, freelancers can build a professional profile showcasing their skills, portfolio, and career interests. These profiles are visible to potential employers, increasing the chances of being directly approached for relevant roles. Well-Found's interface is user-friendly, allowing freelancers to filter opportunities by location, role type, and even specific industries or technologies. The platform also provides options for remote work, making it ideal for those seeking location-independent gigs. Another unique feature is its focus on startup culture, where you'll often find innovative, fast-paced environments that encourage creative problem-solving. For freelancers interested in working with companies on the cutting edge, Well-Found is a top-tier platform. Whether you're a developer, designer, marketer, or product manager, this platform connects you to startups that align with your skills and ambitions. If you're ready to explore Well-Found, the links in the description will help you get started. Make sure to optimize your profile and leverage the search tools to find opportunities that match your expertise. Happy freelancing!